my dear students. I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all are understanding the sum. So children, we are continuing with your book Math Steps today also. So we are doing chapter 3 Roman numerals. Yes, so we have learned the rules in the next class, in the previous class, children, about the rules how to write the Roman numerals, their notation, their values. Yes, so today also we are continuing with Roman numerals. In the last class we have done till question number 3. Okay, so in today's class, children, we will do 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the Roman numerals, children. Yes, 1i, 2, 2i, 3, 3i, 4, iv, 5v. In this way 10 is written as x. Yes, 20, 2x, 50l, 100c, 500d and 1000m. Yes, so children, these are the sums which we are going to do in today's class. Okay, fill in with greater sign or smaller sign, greater sign, smaller sign or equals to sign. Arrange in ascending order and arrange in descending order. We will do till number 8 only because number 7 only, because number 8 we have to do it in your copy. So let us start our class. So children, in the last class we have completed till number 3. I will start with number 4. So here you have to use the greater sign or smaller sign saying the value of Roman numerals, right? So this IV means 4. You know IV means 5 minus 1, 4, and VI means 6. So VI is greater than IV, so I will put greater sign towards VI. IX means 9. Xi means 11, right? So I will put greater sign towards 11. VII means 7. VIII means 8. V means 5. II means 2, right? So this is 5 plus 2 and this is 5 plus 3. That means this is 8. So I'll put greater sign towards 8. Next, X means 10. IX means 9. So 10 is greater than 9. So we will put greater sign towards X. Now next, V means 5, IV means 4. So V is greater than 4. So I will put greater sign towards this. So XV, children, XV means 10 plus 5, that is equals to 15. Yes, and XX means 20. 10 plus 10, 20. So XX is greater, 20 is greater than 15. So I will put greater sign towards XX. Now number 4 is over, children. Let us move to number 5. Here you have to put all the signs, greater sign, smaller sign and also equals to sign, seeing the Roman numerals, and Hindu-Arabic numeral is also given. So this is 10, children. This is 10 and this is 10 plus 9, 19. Yes, 10 plus 9. This is 10 plus 9, that is 19. So this is XIX is greater than 10. So I'll put greater sign towards XIX. XX, I have already told you, XX means 20 and this is 10. So I'll put greater sign towards XX. XV means, yes, XV means 10 plus 5, that is equals to 15 and it is also 15. So we will put equals to sign here. Okay, so this is 16. XVII means 10 plus 7. Yes, you don't have to write all these numeral, children. I am just writing the numbers just to make you understand. So you don't have to write, you just have to put the signs. Okay, so 10 plus 7 is 17. So this is XVII is greater than 16 because 7 XVII means 17. So I'll put greater sign towards XVII. Next is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Here also II means 2. So 2. So what I will put here, I'll put equals to sign. F, you will do it by yourself, children. F is your home assignment. Now next, children, let's do number 6, arrange in ascending order, and number 7, arrange in descending order. So I'll do here only, children. Okay, ascending means lowest to greatest or smallest to greatest, you can say. And descending means greatest to smallest. So ascending order, A, I will do it for you. B will be your home assignment. Okay, so let me do A. IV, V, VI, VII. You can see, children, your IV means 4, V means 5, VI means 6, VII means 7, and VIII means 8. So we will start from 4. So I will write, you will do this in your book only. IV at first, 4 is the lowest number. After that, V, that is 5, is the next lower number. After that, next greater number I will write, that is VI, which is equal to 6. After that, VIII, that is equal to 7. After that, VIII, that is equals to 8. So in this way I have arranged the number in ascending order. Next, you will arrange this in number B in ascending order. Now number 7, children, arrange in descending order. Descending order means I have already told you, greatest to smallest, right? So here I will find the greatest number first and I will write it. So see, children, number A, 2, II means 2, VI means 6, III means 3, IV means 4, and VII means 7. So what is the greatest among them? Yes, 7 is the greatest. So I will write VII at first. Next is 6, that is VI. Another one is 5 is not there, so I will write directly 4, IV is 4. Then after 3, III is 3. Then the last smallest number, II. Now next number B, children. IX means 9, XI means 11, X means 10, XIV means 14, XV means 15. So you can see XV is the greatest among all the numbers. So let me write XV at first. XV. XIV is the second greatest number because XV means 15, XIV means 14. After that, XI. Yes, after that, XI is 11. After that, X is 10. After that, IX means 9. So here I have arranged the Roman numerals in descending order. Okay, children. So in today's class we will do till number 7 only. So I will see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.